You're bleeding off speed. You can do a forward sleep.
Not going to be on a number.
That go around?
Yeah, that one didn't work. He's do a go around anyway. I'm out with 25. I turned in too soon.
You could have just, full flaps, idle, let it sink, and if you're still high, do a forward slip, aileron into the wind opposite rudder, nose down.
I like to S-turn.
Okay.
But, yeah, the forward slip works.
Yeah, you stayed on center line all the time and then fix the nose and land.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, engine's in the green. Off the traffic, Archer 979, Charlie, right crosswind for short field landing, Apopka 15. Apopka traffic, Archer 979, Charlie, turning right downwind, runway 15 for short field landing.
And let's change the fuel. Fuel permission. Good.
Got to keep that on anyway.
Then fuel pressure good.
Okay, so we're right downwind.
So we try to do 90 here.
Gotta remember not to look outside with these.
Oh.
On the tip of my nose.
Oh yeah, inside the water arc.
Pop the traffic, Archer 979, Charlie, right, turning right base, runway 15 Apopka, short field landing. Pop the traffic, 979 Charlie, Archer 979 Charlie, right, final, runway 15 Apopka. too far away, but not
No.
exactly. What do you want to do?
Let's take off. We have one landing left.
Okay. 0 degrees of flaps. You got it.
One more landing and we're done.
Takes a bit to get used to flying a Piper again.
What aircraft you used to fly before?
Cessnas mostly.
Cessna? Yeah. Yeah, but Pipers are really good.
They got that nice wide base. Wide base, you know. Stable. Off the traffic, Archer 979 Charlie turning crosswind to runway 15, full stop landing. Remember this.
Sebastian Borio from Party, right downwind, 23, Sebastian.
Catch that?
Sebastian.
Apopka traffic, Archer 979 Charlie, entering the right downwind, runway 15, Apopka.
Hold to the Tango.